Today we will learn what are Roman numerals, their uses and the rules for writing them. In order to count, we need numbers, and to express the numbers, we need symbols. We use the Hindu-Arabic numeral system to express numbers using digits from 0 to 9. There are similar methods to express numbers. In this video, let us talk about an ancient system which is called Roman numerals. You might have seen Roman numbers while reading and writing. They can be seen in the school timetable, clocks, books, question papers, and many more. Let's understand this system. Roman numerals are generally expressed with the help of these 7 symbols, which represent 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. There are certain rules to use these symbols. Let's understand them. The number of times a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times. Similarly, repeating the tens digit gives 20 and 30 respectively. Can Roman symbols be repeated any number of times? No. The symbols of 1, 10, 100 and 1000 cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Whereas the symbols of 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated. If the symbol of smaller value is written to the right side of the symbol of larger value, then their values are added. Just like adding 1 to 5 gives the number 6 and adding 10, 5 and 1 gives the number 16. Similarly, if the symbol of smaller value is written to the left side of the symbol of larger value, then the smaller value is subtracted from the larger value. Just like subtracting 1 from 5 gives the number 4 and subtracting 1 from 10 gives the number 9. The symbols of 5, 50 and 500 are never written to the left of the symbol of larger value. That means these symbols are never subtracted. The symbol of 1 can only be written to the left of 5 or 10. That is, it can only be subtracted from these numbers. Similarly, the symbol of 10 can only be written to the left of 50, 100 or 1000. That is, it can only be subtracted from these numbers. With this understanding, can you tell why Roman symbols cannot be written as given below? Think. As we had already learned, we cannot repeat any Roman symbol more than 3 times. Therefore, this way of writing is incorrect. Today we have learned what are Roman numerals, their uses, and the rules for writing them. Writing the Roman numerals. Jatin was doing his holiday homework. He has to make Roman numerals from 1 to 10 with the help of matchsticks. Look at the chart he has prepared. Has he made all the Roman numerals correctly? We have learned to write the symbols of 1, 5 and 10. 2 is written by repeating the symbols of 1 2 times and 3 is written by repeating the symbol of 1 3 times. Has he expressed 4 correctly? No. Why so? This is because no symbol is repeated more than 3 times. So how do we write 4? Since 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, we write the symbol of 1 to the left of the symbol of 5. Similarly, since 6 is 1 more than 5, we write the symbol of 1 to the right of 5. Similarly, We write 7 and 8 as shown here. Now, writing 9 this way is incorrect. The correct method is by subtracting 1 from 10, which gives us this numeral. Next example. In a quiz competition, a teacher asked the students to write the Roman numerals for the numbers given below. Can you answer them? Let's write 14 in Roman numerals. To represent any number in Roman numerals, we first express it as a sum of the place value of the digits. Next, we write the Roman numerals for each place value, and then we write them together. 39 is equal to 30 plus 9. We write 30 by repeating the symbol of 10 3 times, and we write 9 by putting the symbol of 1 to the left of the symbol of 10. Then we write them together. 97 is equal to 90 plus 7. Here, we cannot repeat the symbol of 10 more than 3 times to make 90. The right way is to subtract 10 from 100, and we express 7 like this. Writing them together, we make the Roman numeral 97. 149 is equal to 100 plus 40 plus 9. We write 100 like this in Roman, 40 like this, and 9 like this. Therefore, writing them together will make the Roman numeral 149. Next example, convert the following Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Look at this Roman numerals. To convert them to the Hindu-Arabic number system equivalent, we observe the numerals from right to left. Following the rules, we can convert them to the Hindu-Arabic numerals. This symbol represents 5 and next symbol represents 1. Since this symbol is written before the symbol of larger value, it must be subtracted. The next symbol towards left is of larger value, so it must be added. Therefore, the result is 54. Now consider this Roman numeral. This symbol represents 1. After this, there is a larger symbol of 5 which must be added. The next symbol represents 100. Since this is also a larger value, it must be added. Next is the symbol of 10, which is of smaller value, so it must be subtracted. Therefore, the result is 96. Today we have seen some examples of reading and writing the Roman numerals. In the next video, we will clear some misconceptions related to numerals and clarify them. The rules to write Roman numerals are as follows. You can pause the video and review them once again. Misconception 1. How can we write 14 in Roman numerals? Due to lack of proper understanding of rules for writing Roman numerals, the symbol of 1 is repeated 4 times. This is a misunderstanding. Similarly, 14 is sometimes expressed as the symbol of 5 along with the symbol of 10, which together makes 15, and then to subtract 1, the symbol of 1 is written before the symbol of 10. This way of writing is incorrect. Similarly, because of the confusion regarding writing a symbol to the left for subtraction and to the right for addition, the symbol of 1 is written to the right side symbol of 5. This is also a misconception. The correct way of doing this is to write it as the sum of place value of digits. Here 14 means 10 plus 4. By putting the symbol of 10 and 4 together, we get the correct result. Misconception 2. How to write 99 in Roman numerals? Considering 99 equals 100 minus 1, it is sometimes expressed incorrectly as IC in the Roman system. The correct understanding is that the small symbols are written to the left side of the larger symbol to express subtraction. But while doing so, we must remember that a symbol of smaller value, such as 1, can only be subtracted from the two symbols that are larger to it, that is 5 and 10, whereas it cannot be subtracted from the symbols that are much larger to it, such as symbols of 50, 100 or 500. With this understanding, the correct answer is option 2. Misconception 3. Which of the following Roman numerals is expressed correctly? In option 1, the symbol of 10 is repeated 4 times. Although no Roman symbol is repeated more than 3 times. Due to lack of this understanding, option 1 is considered as the correct answer, although it is an incorrect answer. Similarly, due to lack of understanding about the fact that symbols of 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated, option 2 is considered as correct. But this is also an incorrect answer. The correct understanding is that only the symbols of 1, 10, 100 and 1000 are repeated. But these symbols also can only be repeated up to 3 times. Therefore, with this understanding, option 3 is the correct answer. Many times, just by looking at the symbols, it is assumed that since all the given options are in Roman, all the options are correct. Here, the rules are neglected and option 4 is assumed to be correct. However, this is also an incorrect answer. Today we have seen some common misconceptions related to Roman numerals and we have clarified them.